Alright, hello boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. What you see here is a 1981 Casablanca Victorian. I purchased this fan.
Mine, and I repeat, will be mine.
Maybe.
No, it will be. Either way, it will be mine.
Josh over here badly wants it. Formally introduce yourself, please.
My name is Vintage Fan Collector on les YouTubes.
Go and subscribe to him.
I have great channels. Come subscribe to me. Very good.
Well, great. Connection
Just kidding,
issues.
I'm American. What? Oh my gosh.
Connection issues.
Beautiful. Mid-century light fixtures.
I saw a chrome bathroom light at River Oaks, where this band came from. Ooh boy, this thing is colossal.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing with mine.
You know, I could see this in your grandma's den where the custom home is.
I know. That's why it's gonna be mine.
Alright then.
Idea! D1 for the light. Some kind of control for the fan.
To preserve the slumber quiet? Smart man.
Yeah, and so they don't have to go up there and turn the knob.
I just started.
Last Christmas, I gave you my...
Oh yeah, Christmas Josh is in full swing.
I'm turning on the air up here, and don't you dare tell me you can't think. It's too damn bad.
Turn the fan on high! Thankfully, this one's pretty quiet.
What was that all about?
I have all the air conditioners off so I can do this video. And Mom ain't having it. Yeah, that's nothing. Whoa, don't die.
Guess what? We get a tour of Brent's house for tomorrow.
Ooh.
Yay. Finally.
Airflow directly underneath is a little bit on the weak side for a Casablanca.
Not these stupid chainmail.
It's not an Amberlin 6914 video without a complimentary perk. actually. Let's go with reverse. Whoa. Do you copy?
Yeah, sorry, I'm just, you know, texting.
I gotcha. Jesus fuck.
Hey! Hi! Hi. Sailor boy. Shut up.
Yar har har.
Aficionado. Just say other things, like fudge nuggets.
Something landed on me. I'm not crazy. Airflow seems a little weak underneath.
Well, that's kind of how the Victorian was when it was installed in my room. It spreads it out somehow. The Saturn is a little bit the same.
I see. Yeah, it does. Interesting. Glad I'm not crazy. And final spin down. I could see this rocking a schoolhouse, really.
I can see it. Not. I don't like Victorians with schoolhouses for some reason.
Huh. They appeared in catalogs.
I know. Pressure raining down on me.
Pressing down on you, no man asked for. Under pressure, split the family in two.
Nice, like I put something in your head now. Pressure raining down on me.
Harvest Moon tonight.
Really?
Yeah. Hurry up and stop. Please. Stop. Thank you. And now, the close-ups. Yes, Toss?
Well, I was gonna be quiet, but okay. How long are you filming though? Because I want to talk about something.
Pardon the change in quality. My camera battery died, so I had to switch to my also dying phone. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I will catch you next time.